and everyone, respected principals, or vice principals, or teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Priyanka from class 10. As you know that today is Independence Day, so I would like to deliver a short speech on it. Firstly, I wish you everyone a very happy 74th Independence Day. So, as you all know that we all know that the India got independence on 15 August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got our the fundamental rights in our nations. Our motherland, we all could feel proud to be an Indian. Empire our fortune that we took birth on the land of an Indian India, independent India. History of slave India reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behaviors behavior of Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifices of life of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. Some of the great freedom fighters who have who fought in the fought for our country. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and many more. They were the famous patriots who struggled very hard for the freedom of India till the end of their life. We cannot imagine that horrible movement be struggled by our forefathers. Now, after many years of independence, our country is on the right path, right track development. Today, our country is the well established democratic country all over the world. Gandhiji has a great leader who taught us about effective way of freedom like ahimsa, satyagraha method. Gandhiji dreamed of an independent India with the non-violence and peace. Should take an oath to today to being a highly responsible as well as educated citizen of tomorrow's India. We should sincerely perform our duty and do work hard to get the good goal and successful. India is our mother country and we are the citizens of it. We should always be ready to save it from the bad people. So thank you and have a good day ahead. So Jai Hind. Thank you.